On this week's show, an explanation of what I'm doing, staking and trading, market updates, and let's have a look at how much my portfolio is worth. Let's do this. So welcome to episode 7 of season 2. I thought it would be a good idea to run through the project. The goal is to take £15,000 and over the coming months, and maybe years, turn this into enough money to achieve financial independence. This figure will be different for everyone, but I estimate I need around £250,000. So I am currently accumulating assets. These include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a selection of ETFs and CFDs. Oh yeah, and some silver, but I have plans for silver. Each week, I am running through the portfolio, touching on what I've bought, and giving a valuation of the project. Currently, yeah, we're in the red, but that's only to be expected at this point in the adventure. I'm also staking and trading crypto. This is a crypto channel after all, and I will be posting those results from next week onwards once that all gets going. Yeah, I know, I'm supposed to be DCAing the market and accumulating assets, but I couldn't resist trading. So we're back in the seat on the derivatives market. Oh dear, what could possibly go wrong? Quick market update. As Admiral Akbar once said, it's a trap. The market has been rising now for a few days, but it looks like it's running out of steam, with big players buying in around the 20k mark and others claiming crypto is doomed, whilst buying it themselves. Perhaps this is the best time to buy. Of course, on the other side of the argument, it could easily drop to 10k. We know the bear market technically has at least 3 months to run, so it is going to be interesting. But I've just put a little graphic up on the screen. Just have a look at this chart. This is from Look Into Bitcoin. It's a wonderful resource for charts looking at cryptocurrency, run by Philip Swift. And what we can see here is on the far right, it's in the buy zone. It's basically that zone where every other cycle we've been through with crypto, people start to buy. In other news, the project has passed the 50% investment mark, leaving us with £7,350 left to invest. Now I will be putting some money into the stock market, and yes, I know it's a crypto channel, but I can't resist a bargain. However, the initial plan to put half into crypto and half into stocks, I think I will change. I think crypto will now become the dominant investment. Okay, with all that said, if you like what I'm doing and want to follow my progress, please pop me a like and subscribe to the channel. It really does help a lot. Also, feel free to leave me a comment on the project and what you think of it. So let's get into the valuations. Okay, so let's start with Coinbase. And here you can see we hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ethereum 2 and DAI. And for once, we can see green numbers, so the price has been rising over the last couple of days. We also bought more Ethereum, and then we sold some Ethereum to fund our trading. So the keen-eyed will see that the amount of Ethereum we've got has differed from last week. But the total valuation is £4,063.89. So looking at our Kudos token, we can see that it's risen to almost $70. This is slightly up on last week, and we have a total of $75.22 in that wallet. Quickly popping on to our stocks and shares, we have $1,858 invested and about $15.94 left to spend. Obviously, we'll be putting more money into this as we move forward, and our profit and loss, we're currently down to $17 or just under 1%, which is an awful lot better than last week. Looking at that in more detail, we can see our S&P is down 0.8, silver is down 7.18. That's currently a bit of a pain, to be honest. Amazon is down -1, Tesla is up 7.93% or $20. And VIG is still holding in there. We're trying to sell VIG, but we need that to be in profit first. Out of curiosity, this is my performance from eToro. I made 0.04% in May, I lost 4.18% in June, and we're currently at 2.82% up in July. So let's look at something new. This is my staking on Binance. I've decided to show this because it's not worth really a lot of money. It's worth about $76 at the moment, but I thought it would be interesting to show how this changes as we go forward with the project. I'm staking SHIB, BNB, Bitcoin, US Tether, AXS, and some others. Yeah, I've got 3 million SHIB. So we will see how that progresses. So currently we're adding that value into the project at $75.89. And then this is our trading account. We put a whopping $105. We sold some Ethereum to fund this, and I'll give an update on this as I go forward. So let's look at our wonderful dials. See, our starting fund, as always, is 15,000. The remaining pounds to invest is 7,137, which is slightly different to what I said at the start of the video, but this was an update in math, so that's correct now. That gives us a current valuation of 12,685, up from last week, so that's really good. But by how much? Well, as you can see, last week we were valued at 12,154, and this week our valuation has risen to 12,503. And in terms of ROI, that means that our 19% down figure last week has risen to minus 16.6%. So that's all from me this week. Please let me know what you think. Drop me a comment, drop me a like, and if you like what I'm doing, subscribe. And at the end of the day, as I always say, onward and upward.